In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are fine and doing good at home. This is our 8th lecture of Countdown book. Today we will do our written work of Maths book, page number 8, 9 and 10. In these pages, we will understand the concept of making of 10 with the help of the number line. Before we start our lecture, first of all, prepare your sketch, write C.W in the middle of the line and date on corner on the specific day. Prepare your sketch on page number 8 and 9 like this as you see in the picture. Let's start our exercise. Do you remember zero? क्या आपको ज़ीरो याद है? Amin has 4 soft toys in a bag. अमीन के बैग में 4 टॉयज़ हैं. अमीन हैज़ पुट नो मोर टॉयज़ इन द बैग. अमीन ने बैग में मज़ीद खिलौने नहीं रखे हैं. सो 4 प्लस 0 इज़ इक्वल्स टू 4. Amin has taken no toys out of the bag. अमीन ने बैग से कोई खिलौने नहीं लिए हैं. So 4 minus 0 is equals to 4. 0 is a special number because 0 special number है क्योंकि when we add 0 to a number, the number stays the same. जब हम ज़ीरो को किसी नंबर में ऐड करेंगे तो आंसर सेम रहेगा. सो 6 प्लस 0 इज़ इक्वल्स टू 6. When we subtract 0 from a number, the number stays the same. जब हम ज़ीरो को किसी नंबर से सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे तो आंसर सेम रहेगा. सो 5 माइनस 0 इज़ इक्वल्स टू 5. Amin has taken all 4 toys out of the bag. अमीन ने तमाम 4 खिलौने बैग से निकाल लिए हैं. There are no toys in the bag. बैग में कोई खिलौने नहीं हैं. So 4 minus 4 is equals to 0. Page number 9, making 10. Question number 1, add the following. 1 plus 9 is equals to 10. 1 has been done for you. Next, dash plus 10 is equals to 10. यहाँ पे हम 10 में ऐसा कौन सा नंबर ऐड करेंगे कि आंसर में हमारे पास 10 आ जाए. तो एज़ यू नो कि ज़ीरो इज़ अ स्पेशल नंबर. ज़ीरो किसी भी नंबर में ऐड या सब्ट्रैक्ट होगा तो आंसर सेम रहेगा. तो यहाँ पे हम 0 राइट करेंगे. 0 प्लस 10 इज़ इक्वल्स टू 10. 2 प्लस 8 इज़ इक्वल्स टू डैश. नाउ वी स्टार्ट एट 2 एंड जंप 8 नंबर्स टू द राइट. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Which number we get? We get number 10. So the answer is 10. Write 10 in the box. Dash plus 6 is equals to 10. जब blank first में आएगी तो हम number line को use करते हुए backward की तरफ जाएंगे. Now we start at 10 and jump 6 numbers backward. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Which number we get? We get number 4. So write 4 in the blank. 6 plus 4 is equals to dash. Now we start at 6 and jump 4 numbers to the right. 1 2 3 4. Which number we get? We get number 10. So in the box write 10. Next, dash plus 3 is equals to 10. Now we start at 10 and jump 3 numbers backward. 1 2 3. Which number we get? we get number 7. So the answer is 7. Write 7 in the box. 6 has been done for you. 5 are left. Do these by yourself. Question number 2. Take away from 10. 10 minus 2 is equals to 8. 1 has been done for you. 10 minus dash is equals to 5. Now we start at 10 and jump 5 numbers backward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which number we get? We get number 5. So write 5 in the box. 10 minus 5 is equals to 5. 10 minus 6 is equals to dash. Now we start at 10 and jump 6 numbers backward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Which number we get? We get number 4. So write 4 in the box. 10 minus 7 is equals to dash. Now we start at 10 and jump 7 numbers backward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Which number we get? We get number 3. So the answer is 3. Write 3 in the box. 10 minus dash is equals to 6. Now we start at 10 and jump 6 numbers backward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Which number we get? We get number 4. So write 4 in the box. 10 minus dash is equals to 9. Now we start at 10 and jump 9 numbers backward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Which number we get? We get number 1. So the answer is 1. Write 1 in the box. 6 has been done for you. 5 are left. Do these by yourself. Now prepare your sketch for homework. Write H.W in the middle of the line and date on corner on the specific day. Look at these hands. This pair of hands has 10 fingers. हाथों की इस जोड़ी की 10 उंगलियां हैं. Question number 3. Look at the numbers in this grid. इस grid में numbers को देखिए. Some pairs of numbers add up to 10. कुछ numbers के pairs को 10 तक add करें. Find them, उन्हें तलाश करें. And color them, और उनमें color करें. 2 pairs have been done for you. 2 pairs आपको करके दिखाए हैं. 9, 1. 9 is in the mind. Another digit is 1. Now count after 9. 10. So this is our first pair. 6, 4. 6 is in the mind. Another digit is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now count after 6. 7, 8, 9, 10. This is our second pair. 8, 2. 8 is in the mind. Another digit is 2. 1, 2. Now we will count after 8, 9, 10. So this is our third pair. अब आपने इसी तरह बाकी के पेयर्स को पहले तलाश करना है और फिर उसमें कलर करने हैं. Now this is your home task. Do homework page number 9, 10 and also 162 to 164. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.